The next test is the characteristics test. So, click on characteristics test tab. So, you will be able to find the relay characteristics here, and this is plotted based on the values that we entered in the main screen initially. You can randomly click on different points that you want to test based on your standard, and once you select those points, you will be able to see the corresponding bias values shown here. So, when I click on this double arrow mark, I can run all the tests in a single shot. So, what the software and the test kit does is, it will inject differential current at this specific bias value 0.5. So, it slowly increases the differential current, and the moment relay trips, based on the feedback, it will plot on the graph. So, let us see when the relay is going to trip. Yeah. So, you can see there is a green color dot. If the relay has tripped in some other location, it would be red. So, let me clear the LEDs. We have provided additional tolerance, and based on the tolerance value, you can see two green lines are drawn on either side of this red line. So, even if it is not exactly on top of the red line, the results will verify whether it is falling within the green line or not. So, in parallel, you can also verify the winding currents, the percentage of error. So, that is the exact pickup for this point. Let me clear the LEDs. It is testing in the same order as I selected. So, that is why this point is left out. And normally when we are testing the slope 2, when we are injecting high current, it is not recommended to inject continuous high current for a longer duration. So, that is the reason in this test kit it is designed in such a way that it will be injecting only for a short duration. So, it is actually testing in terms of pulses. So, the last point that we selected. Okay. So, this is the complete result in terms of table, as well as graphically you can see that all the points has been falling on the relay characteristics. So, that is the characteristics test.